Welcome, Dream Cars fans. Today, we're talking about the all-new 2026 Honda WR-V, a subcompact crossover that blends style, efficiency, and fun driving dynamics into a versatile package perfect for city and weekend life alike. So, what makes the new WR-V stand out in the crowded crossover lineup? First, its bold and modern design. Honda has given it a more sculpted profile, with sharper lines, aggressive front fascia, and sleek LED headlights. The raised ride height adds that rugged crossover appeal, while the sporty alloy wheels give it a confident stance. Slide inside, and you're welcomed by a smart, well-thought-out cabin. Honda's designers prioritized both comfort and functionality. Materials feel solid, and the layout is purposeful. There's plenty of tech, starting with an 8-inch touchscreen infotainment system that supports Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, ensuring seamless smartphone integration. The instrument cluster is crisp and easy to read, and ambient lighting gives the interior an upscale feel. Space is surprisingly generous. The WR-V's upright seating position gives excellent visibility, and rear passengers benefit from a flat floor, so 3 adults can sit comfortably. The 16 cubic foot cargo area is expandable thanks to versatile rear seats that fold down flat, making it ideal for hauling gear, groceries, or weekend adventure supplies. Under the hood, Honda offers a choice of 2 efficient powertrains. The base engine is a turbocharged 1.2-liter 3-cylinder that delivers smooth, responsive acceleration in city driving and delivers excellent fuel economy on the highway. For those wanting a bit more pep, there's a 1.5-liter engine, naturally aspirated or turbocharged depending on the market, which offers stronger mid-range power and flexible performance for highway passes and hilly terrain. Both engines come with smooth CVT transmissions tuned for quick response. Handling is confident and sure-footed, with a precise, communicative steering feel and a suspension that balances comfort and agility. Whether navigating tight city streets or open roads, the WR-V remains stable and composed. Honda hasn't neglected safety. The 2026 WR-V comes equipped with Honda Sensing Suite on higher trims, offering adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, automatic emergency braking, and traffic sign recognition. These systems add confidence and peace of mind, especially during long drives or in stop-and-go traffic. Trim levels include the well-rounded X, the Premium EXL, and the sporty off-road-inspired Trail variant. The X adds extras like roof rails, fog lamps, and upgraded upholstery. The XL takes it further with leather seats, heated front seats, and a premium sound system. The Trail model ups the rugged factor with skid plates, unique graphics, and all-terrain tires, perfect for light off-roading adventures. Fuel economy varies depending on engine and model, but expect around 30 to 35 miles per gallon combined. For hybrid or mild hybrid enthusiasts, Honda is rumored to debut a light hybrid version soon, though initial markets may launch with just the gasoline engines. Advantages of the WR-V include its compact size for easy maneuverability, surprisingly roomy interior, modern tech suite, and refined ride quality. On the flip side, rear seat headroom might feel slightly snug with taller passengers, and road noise can creep in at highway speeds on certain trims. Priced competitively against rivals like the Kia Seltos, Hyundai Venue, and Nissan Kicks, the WR-V brings Honda's legendary reliability and resale value to the subcompact crossover segment. So, should you consider the 2026 Honda WR-V? If you're looking for a stylish, efficient, tech-forward crossover that's nimble around town but still capable of weekend adventures, and isn't interested in going full-size, this might just be your perfect match. Thanks for cruising with Dream Cars. If the WR-V caught your eye, hit that like button, subscribe for more in-depth reviews, and leave a comment below telling us where you'd take yours.